Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we will solve coding problems regularly from platforms like LeetCode, explain data structures and algorithms in a very simple way and help you improve your problem solving skills for interviews and coding contests. In today's video, we are going to solve a very interesting LeetCode problem called minimum operations to make the binary string alternating. I will explain the approach and the optimized code step by step so that the even beginners can understand it easily. So let's get started with the problem statement. We are given a binary string s that contains only 0 and 1. In one operation, we can flip a character from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Our goal is to convert the string into an alternating string. An alternating string means no two adjacent characters are the same. For example, 0101 is alternating, 1010 is alternating, but 1100 is not alternating. So we must find the minimum number of flips we require to convert the non-alternating string to an alternating string. The main idea is to for any length n, there are only two possible alternating patterns. Pattern 1 starts with 0, 010101. Pattern 2 starts with 1, 101010. So instead of trying many possibilities, we just compare the string with these two patterns. Then we count how many changes are needed to convert to pattern 1, how many changes are needed to convert to pattern 2, and then we finally return the minimum. So let's start with the code. First, let's take two counters that tracks the number of changes needed for two cases. Let the first counter be change start 0 that counts the zeros and that counts if the string starts with zeros, and then another change start 1 equal to 0 which counts if the string starts with 1. Now let's traverse the string int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus, then we check every character in the string. Check for even indexes. If I percent 2 equal to 0, that is we check here for the event position 0 2 4 6 for the pattern starting with 0. Let's say if we have four digits 0 1 2 3, then the pattern in the event positions 0 and 2, there should be zeros. So let's check for it. If s dot char at I not equal to 0, then we change start 0 plus plus. So here we need one operation, so we incremented the change start 0 where we need to change the 1 to 0. Next we check for 1 if is similarly if char at I equal to equal not equal to 1, then change start 1 plus plus. This checks for the position 1. Now let's check for the odd indexes. That is if s dot char at I not equal to 1, then change start 0 plus plus. Now if s dot char at I not equal to 0, we invert the operations as it is old index 4 now. Start plus plus Now let's run the code. There is an error. Oh, I have not written H. Now let's run it. Yes, it passes all the test cases. So if time complexity is big of n and space complexity is big of 1, instead of trying many combinations, we simply compare the string with the two possible alternating patterns and count mismatches. Then return the minimum number of flips needed. So this is the idea. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more LeetCode problems. Give some support. Thank you.